What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Techno Nepal. I'm your regular host Ranjit and I'm back with a new video. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe it, hit the notification button so that you will never miss any updates, any videos in my YouTube channel. Furthermore, the link of my social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram will be in the description of the video. Check it out and stay connected. So let's get started with today's episode, and in this episode I'll be showing you guys how to reset your settings to default in Autocad. So basically, if you are using any version of Autocad, that might be Autocad 14, 16, 10, 7, whatever version you are using, the process is same. So follow the same process to reset your settings to default. So for that, just go to the options called tools at the very top corner of your screen and go to the last options, which is basically options. Click on it and go to profiles, the last options. So after going through profiles, click on reset and simply hit yes. Right now I don't want to reset my settings to default, so I'm just clicking no. But if you want to reset your settings to default, simply click on yes and then you will set your settings to default. Okay, so that is the first process. And if you simply want to input commands for resetting your settings to default, just type in OP, which is a shortcut command for options, and hit enter and go to profiles and repeat the same process. Simply hit yes and then you will reset your settings to default. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. If you genuinely like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, relatives, or whoever wants to learn AutoCAD. And if you have any kind of suggestions, let me know in the comment section, or simply you can inbox me on social media, which is linked in the description. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, take care and goodbye.